If terrorists get a hold of these kind of substances, they can create mayhem in society.
This is the only place that I know of where we're able to prosecute problems that have live nerve agents on them, as well as blister agents.
So we're getting hits for mustard.
It reduces the stress of people if anything like this happens in real life.
We just sealed up our suits and checked our masks. We're about to go try out with CS gas to make sure that we have no seal breaks.
Every time you go down range, you put your mask on and put your face into a tent that's full of CS gas. You'd know very quickly if you don't have a proper seal.
We need people to be psychologically challenged. That's why we use real-life agents and not only simulants.
Oh yeah. Positive for mustard.
I hope they get a sense of confidence in themselves with their skills, and they also learn to trust the gear. Respect the substances, but don't be afraid, because if you're afraid, you cannot do your job.
It'd be a really sad day if we ever had to do any of this stuff for real. But that's why it's important to train, because worst case scenario, if anything did happen, where they call on any of the NATO allies here to go work, hopefully not, God forbid, but we'll be ready if it does.